Have you ever felt like your Ooma just isn't cutting it anymore? Maybe the call quality isn't as crisp as you'd like, or perhaps you're looking for more features to enhance your home phone experience. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Ooma upgrades and explore the different options available to take your home phone to the next level. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Ooma is. For those who are new to the concept, Ooma is a VoIP voice over Internet protocol service that replaces traditional landline phones. It offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling, voicemail, call blocking, and more. But sometimes even the best-laid plans can fall short. That's where upgrades come in. Upgrade option 1, Ooma Office. If you're looking to take your Ooma experience to the next level for business purposes, Ooma Office might be the perfect choice. This upgrade offers a suite of advanced features designed specifically for small businesses. Here's a quick overview of what Ooma Office can do. Advanced call routing. Customize how calls are routed to your team, ensuring that every call reaches the right person. Call recording. Record calls for training, quality assurance, or legal purposes. Call analytics. Gain valuable insights into your call patterns and customer behavior. Integration with popular business apps. Seamlessly integrate Ooma Office with your favorite productivity tools. Upgrade option 2, Ooma HD Voice. For those who prioritize crystal clear call quality, Ooma HD Voice is a must-have upgrade. This feature utilizes advanced technology to deliver superior audio quality, making conversations sound more natural and lifelike. With Ooma HD Voice, you can expect reduced background noise. Enjoy clearer conversations without distractions. Enhanced clarity. Hear every detail of your calls with precision. Improved compatibility. Works with a wide range of devices and internet connections. Upgrade option 3, Ooma Mobile App. Want to take your Ooma phone with you wherever you go? The Ooma Mobile App allows you to do just that. By downloading the app to your smartphone, you can make and receive calls. Use your Ooma number on your mobile device. Access voicemail. Check your voicemail messages from anywhere. Manage your account. Easily manage your Ooma account settings. Upgrade option 4, Ooma Security. Looking to protect your home from unwanted callers? Ooma Security offers a range of features to keep your phone lines safe, including call blocking. Block unwanted calls from specific numbers or area codes. Do not disturb. Silence your phone during designated times. Advanced Caller ID. Get more information about incoming calls, such as the caller's name and location. Upgrade option 5, Ooma Telo Plus. If you're looking to upgrade your Ooma hardware, the Ooma Telo Plus is a great option. This advanced base station offers several benefits, including improved performance. Enjoy faster call setup times and better overall reliability. Enhanced features. Access additional features like call forwarding and voicemail transcription. Future-proof. The Telo Plus is designed to be compatible with future Ooma upgrades. Choosing the right upgrade. With so many options available, it can be tough to decide which Ooma upgrade is right for you. Here are a few factors to consider. Your needs. What features are most important to you? Are you looking for better call quality, advanced business tools, or increased security? Your budget. Ooma upgrades vary in price, so it's important to set a budget before you start shopping. Your compatibility. Make sure the upgrade you choose is compatible with your existing Ooma setup. Check for promotions. Ooma often offers promotions and discounts on upgrades, so be sure to check their website or contact customer service for the latest deals. Consider a bundle. If you're upgrading multiple Ooma devices or services, you may be able to save money by bundling them together. Don't hesitate to ask for help. If you're unsure about which upgrade is right for you, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma's customer support team for assistance. Upgrading your Ooma can be a great way to enhance your home phone experience and get more out of your investment. Whether you're looking for better call quality, advanced features, or increased security, there's an Ooma upgrade to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.